Hi guys, we have some confirmation on the US pricing of the Galaxy S22 series. There's also some official marketing renders of the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and it reveals some information about the charger in the box. And a Verizon worker got his hands on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and he had some things to say about the device. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So, a Google Rewards survey previously showed the prices of the Galaxy S22 series, and it had a $100 increase over the prices of the S21 series, which had a lot of people worried. But it turns out that's not going to be the case. It's gonna maintain the prices of the S21 series, so $799 for the S22, $999 for the S22 Plus, and $1199 for the S22 Ultra. Now, this information is pretty much solid because it's coming from John Prosser, who has a really good track record. It's really good to see Samsung maintain the prices of the S21 series while increasing the overall quality and features it offers with the S22 series. I think with this pricing, they're gonna sell a whole lot more S22 devices, especially the S22 Ultra, because a Verizon worker got his hands on an S22 Ultra, and he said the handset feels very similar to the Note 20 Ultra, which is expected because the S22 Ultra is pretty much the successor to the Note 20 Ultra, and we've seen multiple teaser videos from Samsung confirming the design and the Spen integration. He also said the S22 Ultra is gonna be an easy sell for Samsung, and that is expected. That is also why the S22 Ultra is taking up 70% of the entire S22 series production. We also have the official cases for the S22 series, and they look pretty good, but the one for the S22 Ultra looks kinda weird with a tag that says 22 hanging out of it. We also have the official press renders for the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra courtesy of Evan Blass. It confirms the tablet is gonna be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in all regions. It also confirms the notch, which is unfortunately happening, and it seems like Samsung is gonna make a cross-platform compatible S Pen, because it looks like the S Pen for the Tab S8 Ultra is also gonna work on the S22 Ultra. That will be a really interesting feature for continuous productivity. The leak also shows a Type-C to Type-C cable bundled in the box, but there is no sign of a charging brick, which leads me to believe that Samsung is not going to include the 45 watts charging brick in the box of the Tab S8 series. Anyway, let me know what you think about that in the comment section below. Be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more S22 updates. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.